Well, in the wake of the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, lawmakers here in Pennsylvania are meeting this morning to discuss the future of reproductive health in our state.
As Fox 43's Paul Mayoso joins us from the Capitol with more on today's meeting and what it could mean for Pennsylvania, plus how pro-life groups are reacting. Good morning, Paula.
Good morning. Well, Pennsylvania House and Senate Democrats will be gathering this morning to condemn the overturn of Roe v. Wade and discuss how they believe this will impact women in Pennsylvania. Abortion has been legal in Pennsylvania under decades of state law, including a 1989 law that was challenged all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Republicans who control the Pennsylvania legislature are opposed to abortion rights, but the state's Democratic governor is a strong supporter, and the race for governor this year could tilt that balance. Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf has vowed to protect access to abortion for the remainder of his time in office. He has vetoed 3 GOP-penned bills in 5 years that would have added restrictions beyond the state's 24-week limit. Running to replace him is the state's Democrat Attorney General Josh Shapiro, who supports abortion rights, and Republican State Senator Doug Mastriano, who has said he supports banning abortion altogether with no exceptions. Governor Wolf says this upcoming November race is now more important than ever.
Very important election anyway, but this ruling makes that election even more important because whoever sits at this desk is the one who's going to determine whether Pennsylvanians can continue to count on the right to make their own decision.
Local organizations in Pennsylvania who support the overturn of Roe v. Wade also shared their thoughts on the ruling. The Pennsylvania Family Institute said in a statement, "This is a human rights issue, and these unborn children, the most vulnerable among us, deserve a voice in the American democratic process. Roe being overturned is a win for unborn children, women, men, and society as a whole." The Pennsylvania Pro-Life Federation also said in a statement, "If you read the court's decision, it is clear that a so-called right to abortion appears nowhere in the U.S. Constitution. The policy issue has returned to the states, and we look forward to the day when all preborn children are welcomed in life and protected under the law." And the Pennsylvania House and Senate Democrats will be meeting this morning at 11:30 outside the Pennsylvania Capitol. In Harrisburg, Paula Mayoso, Fox 43 News.